In this video, we will learn how to hide row and column in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet, and here I select some row to hide it. So I select here the two row and go to the home tab. In home tab, in cells group have a format option. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here one option visibility. In visibility, you can see hide and unhide option. Just select this option. You can see the first option, hide row. Okay, just click on it. The two row is hide it. Okay, same as if you want to hide with the shortcut key, you can press the Ctrl+9. So I select the two row here again, and I pressed Ctrl+9 to hide this row. Okay, so this is a way you can hide it. If you want to unhide it, you can select here full data and go to the again format option and click on the hide and unhide, and you can click on the unhide option, unhide row. Okay, so for hide column, same as select the column those you want to hide and go to the format option, and here in visibility just click on the hide column option. Okay, shortcut key you can use, select your column and press the Ctrl+0 to hide this column. If you want to unhide, again select your data, go to the format option and click on the visibility and hide and unhide option, and you can unhide the column option you can select here. Okay, you can use the shortcut key also to unhide the row and column here. So I select here the format, and you can see the here the shortcut key. When you keep cursor on it, the Control plus Shift plus column, sorry, bracket. Okay, same as for unhide. When you keep cursor on unhide columns option, you can use the Control plus Shift plus brackets. Okay, so these are the shortcut key to hide and unhide the data, sorry. Okay, row and column. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.